All right, all right. Welcome back to
Legacy Squad Gaming.
That's right, Legacy Squad Gaming. Let's go. So we got another one for y'all today. They wanted to run it back, 2v1. So let's see what we're gonna do here.
Hey, that's you and this is me. Hold on, where's me? Okay. Sure, not yet, not yet. Yeah, look at me.
Hold up, did you put serve?
Yeah, Sir's over here. Sir's right next to me. Little guy is over here. Ooh. That's two. The Roman Lane.
You got Roman. Let's see who
Click.
we're gonna have to unlock some of these guys. And some of the guys that I grew up watching, they're not on here yet. We gotta unlock them.
Yay.
I remember Edge from back in the day. He was
Edge?
Let's see who I want.
I wish you got in the Rock Johnson.
I know we gotta unlock them though. See, we don't
Well,
play this game, so we gotta play a lot of games to unlock them. But let's see who I'm gonna play.
You're not player 3. Wait, hold up. Sir's player.
Let's see.
No, Sir. 2 on
See, I
1.
remember Stone Cold Steve Austin. I remember back in the day.
Dad just choose the dad.
Okay. I gotta get a heavyweight because y'all got a heavyweight. Oh, Randy Orton, he's pretty good.
Nope.
Oh yeah, I'm going with Randy.
Sounds like and.
Let's go. Here we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna snap my fingers like.
So I'm about to teach them another lesson. They gonna stop calling Daddy out. I'm telling you. They think they got the upper hand on me.
Sure. Remember what we saw
What?
you.
Oh. Get the ball.
Sir, he got me. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna get up here. Sir, he got me. Help me. Him over here. No, I can't. He got me down. I'm gonna get kicked in the face. Sir? Sir, get him now. It's now. No, it's never. Oh,
You
sir.
missed it.
Sir, get him.
Oh.
Attack him. Oh, thank you. Thank you, God. Oh, get out of here. Who messed with me? You messed with the wrong person.
Oh, got me. He got me. Oh, he got me.
What did we tell you? What did we tell you?
Yeah, I'm gonna get on top of the ring.
What did we tell you from last time, Dad? What did we tell you from last time?
What do you think about
Sir, jump!
jump?
Oh,
My turn.
That was a
Sir,
good
let's
one.
keep doing it.
That was a good one.
Ooh! Why did you do that? I was about to do it. Sir, stop. Stop.
Oh.
Good job.
Be
Sure.
my uppercut.
Okay.
Ding, ding.
You and I were good.
How did you do that?
I pressed X and I jumped it back.
Get out
X.
there.
Yes,
X.
yes.
Oh, wait, look. Wait, look. I'm fighting the ref. I'm fighting the ref.
You're going to get disqualified.
Good.
Yeah, but you get back right there.
You
Get
get
over here,
Ryan.
disqualified. That means you lose.
Oh, gosh.
Come here.
No! Sir, he got
Get over here.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get him back.
Get off him. Oh,
Get over.
sir, help me.
Over
Get
here.
off
Over here.
Sir, it just matters if one of us stands.
Yeah, you get over here.
Sir, help me.
I'm trying.
Get in there. Get up in
No, you don't.
Oh.
Eat my fist, dummy.
there. You better get in the ring.
Weep.
Better get in.
No, eat my fist, boy. My stomach.
See, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go.
Sir, get out the ring. Because they're going to count us out.
Sir, no. Sir.
Yes.
Yeah, Dad.
Get out of here.
Okay. Oh.
I'm trying. I'm trying to.
Oh, y'all see this, huh? Y'all see it. They get me. They get me.
If those stars
What?
fell out, we're gonna.
Sir, he
win.
got me.
Yeah, I can pick him up. I can drop him. Stop. Boom.
Oh, oh.
We gotta go jump drama.
I'm about to
Put
do
up,
RKO
put up.
on you.
Sir, stop. Put up. Ooh. Sir, look.
Dad, here you go.
Here's your lifelong dream.
Oh.
Here's your lifelong
Hey,
dream.
let me get up here. Hey, lead him over here. Lead him over here.
He's down. Put him. Damn.
Uh-huh.
Sir, why did you do that?
Shut up. Ow.
Sir, click L1 to get out faster.
No. Hit him. Help me, Shane. Help me.
I'm coming out. What the? I countered that. That was me.
Triangle. Down. Let me get him.
Sir, wait. Hold up. Wait, sir. Wait.
Hey, watch this.
Sir, wait. Sir.
Ready, get him.
Sir, get him. Help me.
I'm trying. I can't get in.
Yes, you can. Actually, like, move yourself in, like. Sir, wait. Get him his legs. Get his legs.
Oh, I'm trying.
Now you're in. Sir, hold up.
I'll punch him in the nut.
Hold up. I got him.
Stop getting away. Was that me for this?
Boom.
Yes.
No, I gotta get up. Sir.
Uh-huh.
Get out. Get out.
That's why you give her away, not to my brother.
Okay.
To my brother. Yeah, I'm going to shun you.
Oh, no.
He's coming.
Sir, don't get next to the rings. Hold up. Get up here. Don't jump until I say jump.
Okay.
Uh-oh. I'm going wild.
Okay.
That's 5?
Uh-huh.
Sir, not yet. Until I say jump.
Hit him, Dave.
Okay.
We're going to do something kind of crazy, but we're going to do something with hazmat suits.
I'm going to keep jumping on.
Oh, let's beat him up. Let's mess him up.
And bet that boy up. I'm going to keep jumping, picking up.
Jump kick.
Jumping.
Okay.
Everybody charge.
I think y'all got me, huh?
Come on here. Hey, come
Oh.
on here.
Oh,
Hey, why you jump that far?
come on, Randy. Oh, he got it.
Let's go. Sir, get over here. Get over here.
No, I'm trying to
I'm going to mess him up. In my foot.
Watch
Ding,
this, I'm
ding.
gonna jump on his head. And he's gonna break his head.
Oh, get him.
No.
Woo, that was
got two.
close.
I got 2.
That was close.
I got 2 on you.
Come over here.
Ooh.
Sir, help me.
Get over here, boy. Get over
Sir,
here.
help. Sir, I got him.
Oh,
Sir, you glitched. The
that was
game.
a good move.
Get the fan.
Oh,
Get off of him. Sir,
they
wait.
did this.
Hold up, sir. Wait.
Oh, I think they've been practicing, y'all. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, thank you, sir.
Sir, what the heck?
I'm fighting him. I was telling him because he was bad.
Sir, John Cena's hurt. I'm hurt. Oh,
I can keep fighting.
you barely have any health left, Dad. You're dead.
I know.
How are you still alive?
I
I'm
don't
gonna
know.
keep fighting him.
It's just that fight in me, man. I got that dog in me. I'm gonna keep going.
No, you don't.
Oh.
We got each other's backs, right, sir?
Okay, that's good. Y'all should have each other's back.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Ooh. Woo. See, I'm gonna get one of y'all now. I can
Wait,
get
sir,
jumped,
wait, hold up.
but I know I'm gonna get one of y'all.
Sir, he got me. Sir, no, sir, not that.
I'm gonna jump on his head off.
Sir, help me.
No, I'm trying to jump on his head.
Sir, no. I don't need you to jump on his head. No, sir. This is what I'm talking about.
Uh-oh. Get him, Randy.
Get him.
Bang!
No, did that to you. That's what I did.
RKO, baby.
That's what you get.
Oh yeah, I got some.
Oh.
Thank you for getting my back.
That was a good move. That was a
That's
good
what
one.
you get for doing that to my brother.
That was a good one.
Oh my God, thank you, sir. You're so good.
I'm
Way,
good at
way to
boxing.
help your brother. Way to help your brother.
Let's see if that's what we got. What? Hold up, sir. Hold up. Hold up, sir. Wait.
Boom.
What the hell?
Oh.
You got me.
Boom.
I can fight it. Get over here. Eat one. You want to eat? Eat one.
Oh. Uh-oh, they get yes, thank you, sir.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
he's making me do that. He's making me do that. No. You better not hit my brother again.
Get up.
No, I got you.
Get up.
What?
Get up.
Get it, Stoner. Yes, you got out the ring.
Whew.
What's up?
Uh-oh.
FYI.
Uh-oh. Let me get my health up. Okay, here I go.
Sir, don't do it. No, it's a trap. Now my turn. Good job, Thanks for helping me.
Oh, we're doing the same move.
Oh, they stumping my legs. Oh,
I'm
man. I won't be able to stand up in a minute.
I'm gonna do a weapon.
Oh, my guy is out of there. He has 0 health.
Your arm is yellow. Your entire body.
Yeah, y'all getting me.
Hey, come here. Lead him over here. Okay. Hold up. Let me do something diabolical. Oh! Not you. That was actually me.
Get up off me.
Out the corner of your mouth. Oh, watch this. Bullets.
Oh, so good.
No! Look, I'm safe! To the temple of the god! Help me! Get in! I'm going to the temple of the god! Help me! I was pushing!
Let's go crazy.
I punched the leg! Get that out! Get this! Get this foot! Thank you! Now let me pin him down! Sure, don't do nothing when I pin him down!
Oh.
Go!
Oh.
No! Sir, get back in! Get back in!
Oh, that was close. That was close. Saint almost got me.
Watch this.
Oh.
Oh, cool! Oh, yeah! Don't mess with our brother! Take this! Eat my foot, Dusty Pan! Hurt! Hit the ceiling! Sir, what's your problem? Actually, bro, what's your problem? Wait, sir, hold up. Ah, my arm! Watch this! Sir, he got me! Thank you! Yeah, I think what are you doing? What are you doing?
Get out.
That's you? What are you doing? Fighting! No, I'm out! Roman Reigns! Power up! No! Help me! Get in! Sir, wait! Oh, you're so lucky! Get out of our circle! Get out of our circle, Dad!
I think my dude is probably out of there.
Get knocked out! Get out!
He's having a hard time. My guy.
Oh, wait! Stars are filling up! We're gonna lose!
Oh.
Yeah, I'm trying to get this point down. I gotta go and help.
Oh.
Sir, now!
Shut up!
Oh.
Work together, sir. Work together.
You see, who is behind you? You're never
Let's
finished.
mess him up. Make it bleed. Hold up.
I'm
Hold
gonna
up.
do
Let me cook.
I stepped on his bottom.
Get in. Let me get on top.
Get him, Dave. Jump on him.
Get out, Dad. Get out.
Get over his
Dad, I just want to tell you that this is our circle. This is where we belong.
Yeah.
Get out of our
Oh.
circle.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Don't get his fanny on.
Oh. As soon as I get up, y'all just ambush me.
You can't get up here.
Wait, sir. Remember our jump attack? Oh, he's lucky. You're lucky that you're out of the ring.
Me?
Sir, let's do our emails. Roar!
Oh my man, head hurt. Look at. He out of there. Come on, man. Come
Sir,
on. Shake
sir,
back. Shake
go
back.
to the middle of the
Shake
ring.
back. Shake back. Come
I'm
on.
gonna go right here until
Go
he
crazy.
gets back over here.
Go
and then
crazy.
he comes right there. And I'm gonna come on and
Come on. Go
Sir?
crazy. Go crazy.
We smash. Get in.
And what the crap?
Oh? Sir, let's not do it. He's gonna wait for us to go.
Jump!
Ooh.
No!
Oh.
Ah!
No, he got me out!
I'm just trying to get him.
No!
Wait, Dave, let me try.
Let's go. Come on.
Stop hitting me down!
Oh.
No hitting me down today!
Don't
No
hit me
hitting
down
me
today.
down!
Oh.
Don't hit me down today. Don't hit me down today.
No hitting me down! Or my brother! Get my karma! Get my
Oh.
feet!
Oh. Oh.
Or my punches!
Oh. Oh.
Oh, you are wonderful.
I just want to tell you, in real life, John Cena's retired.
Yeah, he's the best player ever.
Yeah, but John Cena and that guy is retired.
Come on. Come on. Shake back. Shake
But
back.
I'm trying to get off.
Get off of here.
Shake back.
3. Get in.
Come
Get
on.
in the ring.
I'm trying, but he dazed.
Good. Wait, not yet. What I tell you to do? Now. Wait, not yet. Warming up. Not yet. Not yet. Sir, not yet.
Now?
It's a trap. No, it's a trap. It's a trap. Now.
Boom!
No.
I got
Get in.
Oh.
Sir, get him over here.
I'm gonna
do something terrible.
I'm fighting him. I'm fighting him over here. Now do it. Now do it. Now jump him. Now jump on him. Now.
I kicked him.
Do it.
Dang it. No, I missed the play. Missed complete.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over here.
Hey, Karma.
Be karma.
You're lucky that you're not gone.
Oh.
We got this together.
Okay.
Oh my
I
god.
see. I see what I need to do.
He was good.
Eat my dust.
Oh.
Hey, watch this. I'm gonna pick this.
Oh no.
I'm gonna
Oh,
pick him up.
Sir, move. Ah! I'm retraining myself. Sir, no. He got me.
No, he got me.
He got me out.
Hey, help me.
No. No pitting down today. No more pitting down. Let's go. I'm gonna keep stepping on him. Sir, you get back in. Move yourself in. I'm gonna keep stepping on him.
Yeah, I'm gonna go on here.
He's not even getting up. Come on. Oh, now they double kicking me. Oh, one after another. Oh, Lord. Jesus. Look at that. Oh,
Need my
Lord.
dust. Need my foot. Oh.
No, he got me.
Ooh. Oh.
Eat your
Oh.
dust. He got me.
Oh.
No, he's mad at me.
Oh, man. Almost
Sir,
home.
don't scream.
Almost home.
Another.
We got this. We got this. I can do it.
Wait, sir. Hold up. Let me do something. Hold up,
Got him.
Well, that was me. That was me.
Oh, get him. Oh,
Oh, yeah, got me. Let's go.
oh, oh.
You was gonna get me, so I get kicked. Listen.
Oh, I got the referee. Oh.
Oh, okay, you're dead.
Oh.
How did you get the ref?
I don't know how I did that. I didn't mean to do that to the ref. The ref was actually helping me out because she was coming real slow. Dang.
Yeah, watch this.
I didn't mean to, ref. I didn't mean to.
I didn't need to do that.
Oh.
I'm actually not good at that. I'm lucky that I'm alive.
Oh.
Yeah, you coming.
Look,
Easy.
see how she waiting to count? Because she mad at me. She mad at me now. So she taking a long time to count.
I told you.
You didn't see that? She just had her hand in the air. And look, she was about to count fast for you too.
They go, come on. You're home. I'm trying to jump you. See, come over here. See, come over here. I'm getting fun. Watch this. Watch this. Yeah. Over here. They're home.
Look, she not even count. Boom! And Daddy wins again. But see, it's not about how you start or in the middle of the fight. Long as you keep fighting, you got a chance to win.
Now he's bleeding. He should have been bruised. Should have been dead by now.
Long as you keep fighting, you got a chance to win.
They're trying to. You're not getting up. Bro, I should have come down there. What's this?
See?
Now
Daddy
what is
wins
this
again.
for? Yeah, we see one by it.
All right, let's do another one.
No,
Oh.
We're gonna do a 3v1. No.
No, we're going to keep it like to go back to 2v1. Let's just keep it 2v1. Yeah. Because that's when you got to tag people in and out.
Well, we can.
Because it's going to be like you fight one-on-one.
Okay. This is stupid.
No, the other one, Tornado.
There's two.
All right, we're going to WrestleMania. Oh, it was on it already. What are you doing? Backlash, WrestleMania. Which one are we going to
Do
pick?
SmackDown.
SmackDown. Here we go.
Oh, okay. Now let me see.
All right, let me
Wait, hold on.
see. Oh, no. I'm not. Somebody on my side. Who is that on my side? No. It's showing.
Oh, that was me.
Okay, here we go. Okay, I need another heavyweight. Oh, Lord. Okay, let's see who I want this time. Gotta get a heavyweight. I have to get a heavyweight. Definitely not Vince McMahon. Oh, oh. Hold on. Let me see. I just had him.
6, 7.
Heavyweight. Oh, no. Oh. He's locked. Okay, dude. I'm a... Go, go, go. You ready? Here we oh. Oh, he's loud. Alright, let's do it. Here we go. Let's do it. We're doing another 2v1. Hey, thank y'all for watching the last videos. Thank y'all for rocking with us. Y'all have any words for our viewers and subscribers?
We got this, guys. Think and don't fight it.
Fight with your dreams and their heart. Fight.
And fight it.
We're gonna do the
Well,
same
y'all
thing.
starting off rough on me again, huh?
Sir, no way did you get out.
Starting rough on me.
Trying to go on top of it.
It's beating me up, huh?
You go over here.
It's beating me up.
Sir, no, we did.
What's going on? Like, he ain't blocking. Okay,
Your
there
first
we go.
block. Your first block ever.
We're in it for the long haul now, Cole.
Sir!
Boom!
Sir, get over here, sir.
I'm trying to jump.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Stop.
Eat his legs up.
He, now this guy is not that. I just got it. But we still gonna win. We still gonna win.
No.
Fight the coach down.
Like, seriously, Dad, we did. Sir, come on.
I'm trying. Come over here.
Like,
Oh.
football.
See, all the muscles that this guy got, and he's just getting whooped. He's so slow. He is harder to punch. Like, he got all the muscles.
No.
Look how slow his punches is.
Going in.
Hey, he got me! He got me! Boom!
Boom!
How dare you mess with my... Ah, my God.
Watch this.
I think that's all he has is strength. Like, he just strong. He just want to grab. I think that's him. So you got some that just likes to grab when they wrestle or fight.
Yeah, watch this.
But then you got some that
Let me
can
grab
just,
him. Yeah,
you
watch
know, they
this. I'm gonna
fast.
grab him by my head.
but he's not fast.
I'm gonna
See,
grab
he
him.
just got strength.
Oh, he's actually pretty...
I can't grab him. Hey, I can't grab him.
Oh, this... You thought. Like, we...
See, look how strong he is. He can just bench press him over the
Hey,
head.
help me.
No.
I told you to help me. I was trying to...
Oh, I got him arguing. I got them arguing amongst each other. Oh.
Dude, what's your problem? Dude, serious.
Oh, they get me. Oh, they get me. Oh, y'all done made me bleed already? Oh, man. He done got cut already.
Oh!
Me?
Actually, sir, what's your problem?
I'm trying to help you.
Good, how are you trying to help
Oh.
me when you're seriously out the ring?
I'm trying.
How? What are
Oh.
you trying to get?
I'm trying to get on top.
No need to get on top.
Oh, there it is.
No.
Boom.
See, this is what I'm saying about you. Like John Cena, Roman Reigns are better than you.
Oh, he's down.
Okay.
He's down.
Get over here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh,
Hey, stop picking me. Hey, stop picking me every
I was trying to
oh.
do something.
Breaking down his opponent's core right now, taking away the center of all movement.
Oh.
Man can't breathe, the man can't
Okay, watch. Get up.
fire with a headbutt.
There it is. There it is.
Seriously, there's no
Oh, how you get up so quick?
loser, Patty.
That's why he's 99, because he gets up quick and he'll tight.
Hey, he
Look at my guy. Look at my guy. Look at him. Look
Be
at him.
careful. Be careful. Careful.
There it is.
Careful.
See, look how strong he is. He just strong. See, he just.
Bro! Jump up and help me! I had to! He's not!
Ooh.
Bro, you're not helping me!
Get it, ball.
Ooh. I told you help me.
Uh-oh.
Help me
Here we
right
go.
now.
Here we go. Get up. Get up.
No.
Get up.
No! Stop it!
You
Sir,
lucky.
You
You
get out of
lucky.
the ring.
No!
Sir, you
I'm
go
about to
on
do
top and do something.
I'm about to
I'll
do my
mess with this
finisher.
guy up.
I'm about to do
No,
my
that's his
finisher.
guy.
I can't do nothing.
Sir,
Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up, Bobby. Get up, Bobby.
Get him! Go. I'm under the bed. Okay. Come on, sing!
Come on,
I'm
man.
ready for it.
Come on, Bobby. Come on, Bobby.
He's coming!
Get a ball.
He's
Bang.
coming!
Oh.
Ah, you messed with the wrong person. You messed with the wrong person.
Oh. Oh.
Sing, Maddie, over here! Sing!
Boom.
Sing, help me! Get out of here! Get out of our
Hey, y'all see how they doing they daddy, huh? But we want y'all to like, share, subscribe. Keep rocking with us. We building a legacy one game at a time. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
You just don't kick
You kicked the ref.
I'm trying to kick you.
You're gonna die, Red.
Oh, yeah. He gonna punish you.
I will punish you.
That ref gonna take you out.
No, you're not.
Watch, he gonna let me win just because you hit him.
You know what? Take this ref. I'm gonna beat you up. Because of you. Get over here, ref. Get over here, ref. Oh, wait. You know what? He's a ref. Sir, don't do nothing.
Oh, get him.
Oh, you got
Let's
two.
go. Let's go.
Yo,
Oh,
yo,
oh. Get up, get up.
yo.
Oh,
See, that's how you get off that. Wait, sir, how did you get the jump kick?
You press X and then you do.
ooh.
No, you're talking too much. You too.
Give him his face.
You sure there's no bleed.
Yeah,
Come on, come on, come on, Bobby.
Bro,
Ooh.
you're making me.
Come on, Bobby. Come on, Bobby.
What this guy doing?
Oh,
What this guy doing?
it's 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes.
Yeah, he's walking out. Dude,
How did you do that?
you have to press X. X.
Oh, oh.
X.
Sharp elbow to the gut turns that one around.
You see how I'm doing it? You have to do a jump. You have to do a jump. And you hold it.
Oh, you're
Oh,
drunk.
oh
Last
man.
time.
Get a ball.
Stop.
Bro,
Oh,
help me.
Sir, he got me.
oh.
Super.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, see, I'm going to go up here.
Come on.
No respect from Roman Reigns.
I'm gonna punch this ref.
Don't touch
Come on, man. Get up.
It's gonna lay you out.
Congratulations to the crowd and get back into the fight.
Oh, wait. I'm fighting the ref. I'm fighting the ref.
Come on, man. Come on. Here we go.
No. Pizza.
Oh, he's so slow. All
Yeah,
the
that guy's
muscles. All the muscles got him slow.
Big back.
back.
Okay, okay. Y'all get me. Yeah, y'all got. Oh, oh, oh. Boom. Oh,
Looking for the pin.
If those stars go out, we're gonna win, right?
Nope, that don't mean that.
Yeah. That means.
It just means that we putting on a good show.
Hey, get up here. I'm jumping ya.
Oh.
You never do that again. See, help me.
Oh.
I'm gonna pick him up. Hey, how do you pick up? Left. Hey, click the left button right here.
I don't know.
He is looking to do some serious harm.
No.
He reverses
Gotta get back in.
Oh, he took the thing off the top rope. Look, the mat is gone. You see the little black thing in the corner is gone. You took it off. So what the? Oh, you trying to hit me with that?
just
Come
like
on,
that.
hey.
Roman gets stopped.
There we go.
We're never doing that again.
Come here. Come here.
Yo.
Oh. There it is. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you. I said.
Oh, look, the ref put it back on there. The ref put that thing back on there.
Take it back. Yeah, you get back to your back. Yeah, wait, duck it. I'm fighting
Come here.
him.
Get over
No,
here.
he got me. Bro. Say, help me. Help me. Help me, see.
Uh-oh. Finish him.
Circle, circle, quick circle. Circle,
Square.
circle, circle.
Break it. Square. Yeah, stop. Stop doing that.
Let's go.
I'm trying. Boom. Get down. Out, get down. No, this person's knocked down.
Oh.
Come on.
Come
What do you
on.
want to put down?
Yes, thank you, sir.
I'm trying to. I'm healing him because I need it. I'm looking at. You keep saying it. How mess this guy up? It's above thing. It's supposed to be what?
Short knee right to the body. Bam, answered with a headbutt.
No, he's dead. Thank you.
That one fails.
Oh, what was I doing?
What is that? With that dog? Okay. Hooba. Eat my booze, you damn monkey.
Roman Reigns giving the people in attendance the chance to acknowledge him. Quick back elbow detours
Oh.
the offense.
Oh wait, sir, hold up, I figured it out. It's purple.
Whoa.
Huh? They're going to pick him up?
Power.
Oh! We figured out your secret.
Oh.
Straight ahead.
I got him. You got him. You got him. I got it again. Whoa, you ran that back.
Knee straight
Oh.
connects.
Okay. I got his leg.
Get the ball.
Oh, you don't get that. Boom! They stop punching him.
Step ahead.
So I'm gonna pick him up. Give me him. They give me him. Say, help me.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
Circle.
Focused on
Circle. Oh, that's not how you do that.
Get him. Got him.
Yeah, watch this.
Got him.
I'm gonna pick
Got
him
him.
up. I'm gonna pick him up.
Now would be a wise time.
I'm gonna pick him up.
His partner's got to be thankful.
Oh.
Save
saying.
punching him.
Now you told him don't do that to you.
I told you stop. Stop. No. I'm trying to grab it. Never do. No. Don't have respect. No, I got it. Hey, stop. No, you don't. I'm gonna pick him up. Let me pick him up, Steve. Let me pick him up. Get back here. Get back here. I had to ram him out. No, I'm No.
Come on, get up.
Okay, give me back.
And Lashley is as ferocious as ever.
No.
That's going to put Cena up against the wall in this back and forth affair. And both athletes showing that they have each other's number.
I'm gonna pick him up.
So much
Don't
damage inflicted.
pick him up when I tell you to pick him up.
Uh-oh.
Got him.
Ow! I can't! I'm trying! I'm trying, Steve! No, I'm trying! I'm gonna pick you up, and I'm gonna throw you out.
Breaker. Boom, bang.
You're not helping me.
Whoa. Look at this raw power.
No, I never tried it. Let me try.
Right into the shoulder. That's
Touch
gotta
that.
hurt. Specifically targeting the leg. Look at the well-placed elbow right on the mark.
No, I can do
Okay,
it.
here we go. They get me. This guy here is
Steve,
just,
let me
he's just not
help.
that
Let
good.
me help you.
Come on, come on,
I'm
come on.
helping you.
Answer for the big dog. Axe handle.
Stop, stop,
Enabled the counter. Nice
Oh.
counter by Cena. Punch.
Oh, man.
Elbow drop. Piercing. The kick connects. He can create some space.
Stop.
Target that arm for some time now. That's something
me-
that'll limit your arm's mobility.
Hey, get away. Hey, you jump on it. Yeah.
Wait, sir, let's fight the rat. Let's fight the rat.
No, it's gonna lead you out.
Come here, boy. Come here.
Where's he even going?
Get over here.
Hey, get back.
Uh-oh. Clearing the table. They're going to take it to the next level. What is a superstar thinking? They're thinking
Oh my
about the
God,
end.
bro.
Finishing
What are
it
you doing?
by any means
Get back.
necessary. And we
I
see the
told you
attention
to get
back
back.
on the torso area.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Elbow drop. Here's
What are you doing in there? What are you doing?
Look at the well-placed elbow right on the
What
mark.
were you trying to do?
That hurt.
Pick that up.
Jawbreaker counter to get out of the way.
What? Hey, let me pick him up.
Sir, stop.
What a brute.
Stop doing that.
Trying to
Look, I want to try.
No. I'm gonna punch you.
Just muscling up their
Let me do
opponent.
Ah!
Into the...
Stop, Sam.
Let me try.
No.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna punch you.
Look at this. She just tossed away. Lashley is now under pressure. And I think Cena's got more in store, too. He's trying to cut him off at the knees again. Oh, right across the solar plexus.
No, good.
Bam.
I give it
Suplex
up.
cancel that move.
You never take my brother
What
off.
now?
Oh.
Suplex.
I had to
Looking
do
for
that
some
by
kind
out.
of equalizer here.
disqualified. If you use it, I'm gonna win.
No, you're not.
If you hit me with that chair, you hit me with that
You're
chair.
lucky that I didn't break it.
No, I got it. Hey, stop punching him. Stop. Please help.
I get the
And Cena now is dominating. Robbie's arsenal is being
Stop.
taken away.
No, you can't.
Big boot. What the ladder? Nothing fancy there.
You just go chill up there.
Getting tossed.
Up on him. Hey, what is that?
Oh, man, big time.
This is Legacy Squad Gaming, y'all. This is all it is. We just having fun playing the game.
Get him.
Wait, wait.
He stops the count.
Hey, but we've been looking, man. Leave some comments down there. Let us know what game y'all want us to play next. You know, anything that we need to we could work on, improve on. Let us know, man. We here. We take the feedback. We want to grow this channel.
Let me pick up.
And he breaks up the pinfall. Let's keep fighting.
Stop.
So keep rocking with us. Interact with us in the comments. We're gonna go live here soon. Just kind of doing some final touches on some things, but be on the lookout for some live streams.
He knew that was coming. Punch, nasty. Using the elbow as a weapon. That kick will stop you in your tracks. The C Nation is coming alive.
What we need the viewers to do. Right.
And he's able to counter. Lashley might be able to start mounting something here. Maybe Lashley's found a new source of aggression to battle back with. Overhand connects. Gets cracked by the overhand. Well-placed punch, ugly, but effective response. Headbutt derails the oncoming attack. Reigns comes up short on that attack.
Oh.
Able to counter.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Bro, help me. Help me sing.
Oh, thank you.
You used that, you disqualified.
Justin
Let it go the way
Bro,
it
stop.
Get it back in, man. Hey.
Bobby Lashley. Oh man, this dude
Oh,
is
my-
so powerful.
Hey.
Place knee right to the
My turn.
midsection.
Hello.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Oh.
Attack on the knee.
Now, son, you have
Gonna
to
be
like.
agonizing for the
Please,
arm.
stand
And
up,
we see
back
another
up.
example of focusing on the arm. Yeah, he's made a coordinated effort to attack that
Oh,
limb.
get out of it. Get out of it.
Agonizing.
How is that even working?
Complete
Hey, nobody.
This
I fall.
This is incredible.
My turn. His turn.
Oh,
Ah,
good
he
ball.
got me.
You never do that again. Come on, bro.
Uh-oh.
Incoming.
Uh-oh. Oh.
All
Oh,
of the match?
yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm down.
Because I checked
Oh.
with him, that threw him, that pick him up.
I got him.
They did a whip. Ah.
Oh.
They did a whip. Ah.
Oh.
Oh, I thought you were doing something.
Oh.
Defiant counter to Reigns. Got him in his grasp.
Oh.
I'm not even watching how I'm doing this.
Misguided reversal there.
I'm just watching this fight.
As this match goes on, is there any self-doubt running through the minds of these competitors? You can't even allow that notion to creep into your head. You have come too far and fought too hard to grow weak now.
Come on.
Drop big shoulder tackle.
Oh.
Dr. Einstein?
Yeah, I punched.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Let's go, let's go.
ETL. the L.
They got me. They got me. Hey, that was a good one. Hey, Saint, give us a joke of the day. We about to close it out, and
I told you to help me.
how did John Cena and Roman Reigns win?
Let's go.
They beat him.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, man. That was another one. The kids won this time. Daddy won one. They won one. So, but we'll see y'all next time. Thank y'all.